Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It's the return of our favourite series called What Can Hot Wheels Milk Next? Previously we had a look at the chocolate Kinder type egg with a car in it, which if you haven't seen that already, make sure you go and watch it after this video, obviously, because I've got something else to show you, which you might enjoy or you might not, but anyway, leave this video a like. What else can Hot Wheels milk? Well, staying with the theme of food, and we're going with sweets this time. So, here we go. Hot Wheels today are going to milk the candy sticks. So the candy sticks, used to have these as a kid. You know, everyone used to go around thinking they're cool, thinking the cigarettes, this, that and the other, which no, cigarettes aren't cool. But candy sticks are cool. So these have tattoos inside, and as you can see, brand new, with 12 candy sticks inside each pack. Lovely, lovely jubbly. Funny little goofy car on the front there, a non-franchise one obviously, but looks very cool. Just check out what it says on the side here before I open the cellophane. So, fruit flavoured candy sticks with a temporary tattoo. Ooh, can't wait to try that out. And it's from Bobby's Foods Limited, so big up Bobby. Anyway, it says, blah blah blah, small part, choking hazards, this, that and the other. Do not eat the tattoos. Okay, for all you rascals out there, do not eat the tattoos. Right, cellophane is off. Let's delve in to the packet. There we have it. So we've got the tattoo in there, and you've got the candy sticks in there. I can confirm 12 candy sticks are inside, and they're of reasonable length. What in the candy sticks is that? Look at that. That one's mutated. I mean, you can't grumble for a pound, really, can you? So, the best bit, forget the sweets. The best bit that we're after is this bit. And what we got. Built for speed. Is that 68 or 86, or is it a temporary tattoo? Apparently there's 12 to collect, and it gives you some information about how to apply the tattoo, which we may do in a second. Right, so the candy sticks, let's have a go. Lovely. Just so I remember, used to break your teeth as a kid. Very nice, that one. Yes. Tastes like pure sugar, which is lovely. Yes, can enjoy them later. I mean, back in my day, it used to be 50p. And you used to get more than one tattoo. They're a bit stingy with the tattoos. Talk about Hot Wheels, eh? Being stingy. But yeah, candy sticks are okay, even though they are a bit misshaped. But yeah, you got to be happy with that. So if you want to find a way of entertaining the kids, then pick up one of these for them, and it gives them something to break their teeth and keep them quiet for a little bit. And then also you got the pleasure of applying a sticker and them showing it off to their mates of how cool they are. But yeah, now is the durability test. I'm going to pop the tattoo onto my hand, and it's going to go just like this. And just like that, the tattoo is now on. So built for speed, Hot Wheels tattoo, 68, number 68, I don't know what that means, but sure. And there's 12 of these to collect. I found it weird that how on the outside as well it puts like a yellow ring, like there was a yellow ring on outside there, and it's put it onto my skin, which is lovely. But we're gonna see how long that takes to wear off. It probably won't take long to take off the skin, to be fair. And after 2 solid days of fighting, yes, it has pretty much disappeared off the skin. Any kid who gets their hands on one of these packets, they're going to have hours of fun chewing and breaking their teeth, but then also enjoying the tattoo and showing it off to their mates. So yeah, all in all, pretty darn good, I think. So yeah, that is the candy sticks with tattoos to look forward to. You can get them in most retailers and most shops. So head on down, get a pack, see what you think. Let me know if you do get one, and let me know what the tattoo was inside. Thank you for watching today's video, and until next time, we'll see you very soon.